Are you feeling stuck while trying to switch to a new tech role? You are not alone. Sonali was in the same spot, starting from scratch and facing all those typical challenges that come with learning something new. But with persistence, focused practice, and a smart interview strategy, she cracked the code and landed a job at IBM. So, in this video, Sonali opens up about her real experience, what worked for her, and how she tackled those tough interview questions. So, if you're also serious about making your own career leap, this story is definitely worth watching. Also, Sonali was able to crack this opportunity using our proven 3-step framework, where in step 1, we take you from being not confident to super confident to apply for the jobs. In step 2, we take you from not getting interview calls to getting multiple interview calls. And finally, with the help of mock interviews, we ensure that you get your dream job that you deserve. So to know more, book a call with us right now. You can book through the link in the description below. So now let's get right into the video.
Sonali from Kubernetes and Azure job program. So brilliant work. So first of all, big congratulations, Sonali. I think rather than spending any me over to you and just a little bit about tell a little bit about everyone what you have done.
Thank you for allowing me to connect with each and every person from the support team and their support for making me they are supporting me throughout my journey. Since last past approx 4 5 months, I am preparing for the interviews and going through multiple interviews. I have gone through consistency with your particular technology where you have expertise. So basically, from my background, I have expertise in the infrastructure and the operations administrator domain, basically. Okay. And Kubernetes, I'm completely new with this technology. Okay. So I have started from the zero knowledge. Firstly, I would like to thank to K21 support team. Like Atisha is one of the person who is always helping me through the tickets. Manish, then there are Karthik, Sadiq, and the trainer. I was having basic knowledge of the Kubernetes. Okay, so my working domain is completely different on the Linux and the other operations, physical infra on data center implementation. I do have a working experience in that area.
Brilliant. So in terms of job search, like what all things, if anyone is looking for or looking for a job change like that, so big congratulations for IBM. It's a big company. As an infra specialist, what they will be, what's your suggestion for someone who's new to the program, have been attending or struggling, either to find a job or search for a job or interview calls? What would you suggest to them?
Yes, so I've enrolled for this particular job-oriented program. So practice more and stick with the technology. Don't diverse yourself here and there, learning many things at one time.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is my like the way I have done. So I'm practicing with respect to Kubernetes, whatever the challenges, the scenario-based situation I have came to through the interviews and all, whatever I have been asked from the interview panels. I was writing down all those questions, preparing the answers for that, practicing on my own infra which I have built it. Okay, and going through the interviews. And mostly I have seen that interviewers are asking the scenario based questions. Okay, so
Okay,
not
okay.
only the concept they are looking for, like the definition and the the definition and the key points, but they are
Mm.
more keen to asking the scenario based questions. Okay, so this is the challenge which I have gone through. Like that's what I was trying to prepare myself to go and answer their question in the star format. So star format in the sense situations, task, actions, and the resolution kind of. So most of the last past, uh, I can consider 3 4 rounds with the 3 4 companies. They were asking me this kind of situations. They are giving situations and they are allowing me to explain in my own ways.
Mhm.
Okay, so questions, multiple questions, and I'm preparing those questions with the help of support team. I always mailing my JD and job description from the other companies always before 2 3 days. They will have some time to reply on that, and I am preparing accordingly. So this is what I have gone through, and I'm still preparing for many more rounds. Even if I got a chance with one of the company, I'm still getting other companies calls and I'm preparing for that as well. So my journey is still going on. So this is what.
Brilliant. Big congratulations. Just one example of any question you can remember or think of. Try to keep it generic if you can, like whatever, like to get a sense of.
Yeah,
Mm,
so with respect to Kubernetes, they the interviewers ask what is the network policies you have implemented
mhm,
infrastructure. So tell me about what are the applications integrated with the network policies.
mhm,
What are the policy names you have implemented, and what is the Kubernetes architecture in your operations, in your area, in your
mhm,
domain, in
mhm,
your organization, basically? What is the DR plan for that Kubernetes infra? Okay, so how do you achieve logging mechanism for Kubernetes infra? Okay, so these are the questions. These are the two, three questions I'm telling you here, but there
Yep,
are
yep,
many
yep,
more questions
yep.
they ask. Yeah.
No, brilliant. Thank you very much, Sonali. Big congratulations once again. As I said, this is just a beginning, and whatever you are implementing, whatever help you need, you know that you get a support as well. So come back. The more you share what you're implementing, whatever help you come, we'll continue. We'll put it into the program as well. Okay, Sonali. Big thank you as well to you, and congratulations once again. As I said, this is just a beginning. Do a lot of Kubernetes work on cloud, on Kubernetes implementation project. There's more thing which is Prometheus, Grafana, Argo CD, CI/CD, and now the good point with Kubernetes are like all the AI workload, machine learning models, applications, databases. More and more these things are coming to Kubernetes. Okay, so big
Yeah.
congratulations once again, Sonali. As I said, if you need any help, we're just a message away. Just take it away. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks, Sonali. Thank you, Sonali. Okay.
So, this was a proof that with dedication and the right approach, you can make big career changes happen. So, if you want to succeed like Sonali and take your career to the next level, then book your free career guidance call now using the link in the description below and start your journey towards certification and job placement. Also, if you found this video helpful, definitely check out this video next. Thanks for watching.